Hello factory family, Jason here with Factory Reproductions, coming back to you again on the new wheel segment. So the Style FR66 Hellcat wide body 50th anniversary wheel comes in three different sizes. They come in 20 by 9.5, 20 by 10.5, and 20 by 11s for the wide bodies and standard body vehicles. Now these bad boys are flow forged. Flow forged, flow formed, there's several different words out there for it. You know, everybody has their own. We call it flow formed. We actually take the wheels cast, and then they're able to flow the barrels out to get wider widths on those 9.5s, 10.5s, 11s. Matter of fact, you can actually check out a video or segment on our website, homepage, flow form. There's its own segment up there. Take a look at that. It can show exactly how these are done. Now we have four different finishes. In the standard bodies, 20 by 9.5, 20 by 10.5, there's gloss black, satin black, and bronze. On the 20 by 11s for the wide body, we have chrome. A chrome version, those guys, you know, like that chrome pop real good on the cars. There's several on our website. Take a look at all the images on there. But the wide body comes in the gloss black along with satin black, bronze, and chrome. So once again, take a look at our website. You can see all the different colors. There's also pictures of vehicles with these wheels on there at the bottom of the actual page of this particular wheel. So our FR66 will fit on the standard body vehicles. You can go 20 by 9.5 all the way around. The 20 by 9.5 weighs 23 pounds. That's really light. So if you're upgrading from your 18-inch wheels and tires, putting a little bit wider tire on there, it's not going to cause a big problem with the weight distribution. Then again, we also do staggered sizes for the standard bodies. We do the 9.5s in the fronts, the 10.5s in the rears. 10.5s are about 24 pounds. So you're putting a wider tire in the rear, getting more traction, lighter weight. It works out in the long run to get the traction that you need on those vehicles. Now, we also do this for the wide body wheels. 20 by 11s, nice fat wide body. Put those on the wide bodies all day long. Wide body kits also. You do have to do a little bit of trimming if you want to run the 305, 315 tires on those, on the wide body kits, but that's on a whole different level. You call us for information on that. Again, with the standard body and we're doing the tire sizing, you get to 20 by 9.5 with the 275, 40, 20 inch all the way around, or you can do the staggered 20 by 9.5, 20 by 10.5 with the 275 and 315. People that are scared of the 315 in the back can go with the 305, 35, 20 also. It's up to you what you want to run. Wide bodies, you can go with the 315 all the way around. The car comes with the 305, but a lot of people like to put that 315 tire in there. Get a little bit more traction for you. So the 20 by 9.5 and 20 by 10.5 that go on the standard body vehicles, they come with the offset of 15 up front and 22 in the rear. That'll get you flush with the fenders. They're not going to stick outside the fenders. These also fit not only the Charger Challengers, but 300Cs, along with the older Magnums too, so you can get that size in there. Now the wide bodies, the 20 by 11s, they have a negative 2.5 backspace. That's 2.5 inch negative backspacing on the 20 by 11s to fit for the wide bodies with those fat fenders on there. All right, for more questions, you can reach me at jason@factoryreproductions.com or the phone number below. Any other salesman out here can help you out. Also, don't forget, follow us at all of our other socials at factoryreproductions.com. This is Jason signing off. Remember, Factory Reproductions, making you fall in love with your ride all over again.